So, in planning my research design, I knew that I was going to have plenty of biases. So, that was really difficult to kind of eliminate those from the process. And there's really no way that I could in this instance. But I designed my research around what I knew or thought I could get from the survey, interview, observation, and even the document analysis. And those areas were kind of guided me, or the areas that guided me in each one of those data collections were successful models, looking at other successful models, um, defining high quality. What would I need to ask in developing interview questions and in my observations in terms of curriculum, standards-based instruction, the space, the resources available, highly qualified teachers, and what kind of course offerings there were. And then, of course, planning was another area that I was hoping I could dig out of interviews and surveys and observations. Is there enough time for planning? Is there enough time to create missions, values, goals that align with high quality arts education? And then I developed obstacles to those things. What could they possibly be? What would I be looking for? Again, a lot of that felt to me like it would be biased going in, having a plan that looked like this, but I needed to think ahead of time and sort of plan my trajectory as to what exactly I would be looking for.